All right, guys, Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we have a fun topic. We're gonna talk about Control4. What is it? Do I need it? Should I buy it? Talk to me. So, common question we get, and one of the things that we always remind people, Control4 is not for everybody. Control4 is not something that everybody should put in their home. It has a very specific application, a very specific situation that it works well, okay? The way to think of Control4 is a resource that manages the different technology in your home, okay? So, for example, let's say you put in an alarm system, and that alarm system has a mobile app and you can control it from your phone, okay? You also maybe put in some Lutron lighting. That Lutron lighting you can control from your phone. Let's say you also put in some Sonos music, okay? Sonos music, you have an app right there on your phone. You're ready to go. Then you maybe throw in some Hunter Douglas shades, right? Hunter Douglas, they have an app. You download that app, okay? Now you have these different apps for all these different systems in your home. Well, now let's say you're leaving, okay? You go to leave your house, you're gonna open up your lighting app and turn off your lights. You're gonna open up your security app and arm your system. Open up that Hunter Douglas app, close your shades. Open up your Sonos app, turn off your music. That works perfect. If that's what you're looking for, Control4 is not the right product for you, okay? It may be to do some of those things, but where Control4's power really comes in is bringing those systems together. So let's say instead of that situation where you would see value is maybe when you leave the home, you have a button on the wall right there that says away. You click that away button, and by clicking away, Control4 on the back end does all those other things for you, okay? Control4 will automatically close the shades. They will automatically lock doors. They will automatically do all these other things just from one button press. So typically the people that we've worked with that really appreciate the Control4 backbone in their home, they're people that are trying to save time and simplify their life. Because Control4 starts taking over those basic responsibilities for you. Things like automatically closing a garage door if you leave it open. Things like notifying you if your kids forgot to lock a door. Things like automatically closing shades an hour before sunset so the sun doesn't shine into your house and fade your furniture. It does all those kinds of things. Does it do some of the other things also? Music, yes. Lighting, yes. Some security, yes. There's some other functionality that they have, but really the way to think of Control4 is that umbrella that goes over everything. Control4 is that umbrella that then makes all these different systems capable of talking between each other. Without Control4, they don't talk between each other. So it works as that translator, take all the different systems, bring them under one roof, bring them under one application. So then from one app, you have access to all those different functions. So that's an overview of Control4, an overview of control or smart home platforms. It's a platform, whether you're looking at Control4 or another one, it's a platform that you want to make sure and evaluate before you pull the trigger on it. Because the other last thing, I just want to give you guys one last little tip. When you're looking at a smart home platform and you're looking at putting something like this in your home, I don't care whether you're in New York or Seattle or Florida or San Diego, no matter where you are, the thing to remember is that as you start bringing this technology into the home, just as cell phones have changed and they now need regular maintenance, technology in the home also needs maintenance. A very comparable thing would be if you did some high-end landscaping. If you go and spend $100,000 on landscaping, you can't walk away and just let it be. If you spend $100,000 on landscaping, you're also signing up for a maintenance program to make sure that your lawns are mowed and rose bushes are pruned and all these other things to keep your landscaping at its best. Technology in the home, the more technology you have, the more you want to think about that maintenance side. Because all of these things need updates, and if you're not running those updates, you could be exposing your home from a security standpoint. You could maybe have it where your phone will no longer control your music because you updated your phone or you updated to a different app or Apple just pushed out an update. Any of those things that can break that integration. So just something to keep in mind, set some money aside that with that purchase of any automation platform, you want to make sure and recognize there's going to be some ongoing maintenance needed there too. All right, that's your tech tip for Tuesday. As always, comments down below, ask us questions. reach out to us, whatever works best for you. Let's start a discussion here. There's lots of questions on this platform. We'd love to help you guys out.